All right. In this lesson, we're going to meet Jose Gregorio and Luisa. It is a very short conversation because Jose Gregorio is preparing to present some exercises to you after that. So just listen to the conversation. It is, as I say, very short, and then we'll see what happens. All right?
Thanks, teacher. I couldn't have done it by myself. These taped lessons are really challenging.
Well, the one you have to do today isn't easy. The accurate use of reflexive pronouns is in itself challenging to many, even native speakers.
I know. You don't want to use them because you think there is something missing.
It is no wonder then that a lot of learners aren't able to work out their correct use by themselves and need help. I think you've got a good ideas in your exercise, so break a leg.
Thanks, Luisa. I'll do my best.
I'm sure you will.
All right, so you saw Luisa and Jose Gregorio going over what Jose Gregorio is going to do now. Jose Gregorio has to make you work on two things. The first thing he's going to make you work on is some vocabulary that was in the dialogue, and it was also in the words that he's going to tell you as soon as he starts speaking. And the second thing that he's going to be doing, and by the way, Jose Gregorio, you know, he's the brain surgeon. So he's going to be talking as well and make you work on reflexive pronouns. So let's go ahead and see that.
Hi everybody, it's me, the future brain surgeon. At least that's what I call myself. What will you call yourselves? Bums, dropouts, ne'er-do-wells, or brilliant, superb, excellent human beings? The former can fend for themselves, but I'm sure that we all want to be part of the later group, and we'll have done it by ourselves, right? Let me just stop here for a second, because I think I've thrown a lot of new vocabulary at you, and I want to be sure that you get it. So, take a look at the list below.
Hi.
Hi, where were you?
I was with Lucia. We were reviewing my lesson for this afternoon's taping.
I'm really glad we're doing that. It will help my pronunciation a lot, but it will also reduce the number of errors I make in grammar and vocabulary. I have to be perfect. You know, you're looking at the future international court judge Graciela Carillas, who could speak Spanish when she was 16 and now speaks 5 more languages.
Haha, I'll just stick with English, which is probably the only one I can handle. Anyway, what do you know about Carolina and Pedro? Are they switching?
Yes, they are. I think it's the best decision for them. even though Pedro waiting to be a teacher was complete surprise.
It sure was. And it's so good that Carolina has finally come down to earth. She really loves the sea. It's in her blood. Studying marine biology and being a presenter for National Geographic and Animal Planet. Well, I'm sure she will make it.
All right, so now it's John. John really wants you to work a little bit on what the other ones are, the other kinds of pronouns that we have, which are the relative pronouns. And he's just going to make you look at two relative pronouns that are said in the short dialogue that Graciela and Jose Gregorio have. So just try to find out what they are. Maybe look at what a relative pronoun is in your grammar, and then take a look at them. There's just two of them. Okay? Well, what do you think of Carolina and Pedro switching? I think it's a very good idea, although in the case of Pedro, he will have to work very hard if he wants to be a good English teacher, like me. All right, just one exercise that I'm going to set for you. There are two instances of the use of relative pronouns in this conversation. What, you don't know what a reflexive pronoun is? Check it out in your grammar first. All I want you to do for now is to locate them. We'll do a lot more work on them in future classes. So, which are the sentences? All right, so that's the end of lesson. It was very short on dialogue, but I think it was kind of heavy in the work that you had to do, and that Jose Gregorio and John asked you to do. But I think it's worthwhile. These phrases that you learned and the reflexive pronouns that Jose Gregorio went on over with you, that's something that's very important. And those expressions, I think you'll be able to use them. So you know what a bum is now, don't you? I hope you're not one. Bye-bye. Take care.